Field Marshal Syed Asim Munir became Pakistan's 17th Chief of Army Staff on 29 November 2022.
ख़वातीन व हज़रात, जनरल कमर जावेद बाजवा ने पाक फौज की कमान बाज़ाब्ता तौर पर चीफ ऑफ आर्मी स्टाफ जनरल सैयद आसिम मुनीर हिलाल-ए-इम्तियाज मिलिट्री को सौंप दी.
Amid political, economic and security crisis, he prioritized security, stability and continuity. The 9 May 2023 riots tested his resolve. He responded decisively. Recognizing economic fragility as a threat, he launched the SIFC in June 2023 to attract Gulf and Chinese investments in energy, agriculture and mining. He also crushed illegal currency and crypto networks, funding BLA, BYC and RAW-backed groups. In December 2023, General Asim Munir visited Washington, reaffirming Pakistan's counter-terrorism role. In 2024, 60,000 intelligence-based operations neutralized TTP and other threats. SIFC secured massive Gulf investments. Elections occurred peacefully in February, and diplomacy deepened with Iran, Turkey, Azerbaijan, Saudi Arabia, and UAE. General Asim's leadership shone in the April-May 2025 Pahalgam crisis. Operation Bunyan al-Marsus repelled Indian aggression, countered disinformation, and protected civilians. His nuclear warnings ensured deterrence. The 10 May U.S. brokered ceasefire highlighted Pakistan's strength. On 16 May, Yawm-e-Tashakkur celebrated victory.
अफवाज पाकिस्तान और पाकिस्तानी अवाम को खिराज तहसीन पेश किया जा रहा है. वफाकी दारुल हुकूमत में 21 तोपों की सलामी दी गई.
On 20 May, General Asim Munir became Field Marshal, the first serving Chief of Army Staff since Ayub Khan. Post-conflict, Pakistan formalized cryptocurrency via the Pakistan Crypto Council Ministry, tokenizing minerals and securing capital. Zachary Vitkov proposed World Liberty Financial Partnerships, aligning with General Asim's vision. His June to July 2025 U.S. visits, including a White House lunch with President Trump, reset ties. He led flood relief and Balochistan development, boosting military approval to 93%. At the September 2025 SCO summit, he earned global praise. General Asim's security-first doctrine, balancing Washington, Beijing and Muslim allies, has made Pakistan a resilient regional power.